because you inspire me, as you do in everything.
Did I really? I got pretty my service. I'm worse than that, but I'm exposed to all the dangers in the world.
Oh, stop it. I can take care of myself.
And you remind me of a little boy from Jackson with a wooden sword shining.
You're so romantic.
Excuse me, I'm sorry, Susan. The Queen requests your presence, madam.
Right away. I'll be back in a minute.
She's not with your presence. Let's go.
Good evening.
You thought of me.
You look like you're waiting for someone. Could it be a woman?
It is.
I would sacrifice a great deal to be that woman.
Do I know you? Your voice sounds familiar.
By the way, I was very impressed with what you did inside. The Queen would have been lost without her diamond.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You needn't worry. Your secret's safe with me.
Who are you?
I'm just a friend who wants to get to know you better. Do you think that's possible?
Madam, my affections are already engaged.
By Miss Bourgeois.
Yes. How did you know that?
Constance, dear Constance. Constant in love, constant in boredom.
May I strongly suggest that you leave here at once?
I would be happy to. However, I should be extremely careful if I were you, especially in light of what happened to your sister.
How did you know that?
Oh, drat! 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 You said speak the cardinal speak! The floor to me!
Get back here! I'll kill you! I will kill you! Oh, she got away.